I'm waiting for my sister. Taking forever. We are about to have some fruit. Okay guys, hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are doing a unboxing of exotic fruits that we bought from Mame Fruit.
Are you gonna introduce your guest?
Yeah, you guys didn't give me time.
Well, Chloe's not a guest, I am.
As you know, this is Chloe and this is my sister. So her and I are the ones that purchased this fruit. It came in this box. And we're gonna show you guys what we got. And we're gonna go through everything and taste test everything. So what you guys want to start with? There's like 16 pieces of fruit in here.
Let's start with the Soursop.
We're just gonna go through them. So this is Soursop. We're gonna start with this one. It's super ripe and soft, and you're supposed to basically open it with your hand, right?
I mean, yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, this is the first time of us having it.
OMG.
Look, guys.
Oh, that looks...
So cool.
Oh, it looks so good. So everyone get a piece.
Okay.
There's seeds in there.
Why it look like that?
So you just take a piece of the flesh, the white creamy flesh.
Oh my God.
It tastes really good.
It's like...
It has a tangy taste to it too, though.
Yeah, I don't really know. Like,
I can't describe.
is it kind of like pineapple-y?
That's
like-
pineapple.
Like pineapple-y, but like mango too.
Yeah. That's so... No,
This
the
is
second bite I
good.
just had was like really good.
Oh my God. You
This
know,
is
the
really
second bite
good.
was really good.
Yeah, no, I like this a lot.
This is really good for you too.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I add the nectar to like some of my smoothies.
Oh my gosh.
God,
We're saving
this.
this.
Is good.
We're saving this.
That's really good.
It's like sour, but it's sweet. Can we rate them all? You might want to try it?
I'm going to give this like a 10.
Yeah, this is like a 10.
This is a legit combination of like mango and pineapple.
Mom, you
so
want to try it?
You can definitely get like a
It's
10.
called
It's Soursop.
Don't eat the black seed.
Don't eat the seed.
Take like
Mom, and can you
like
just
the
grab
white
us,
part.
Mom, can you just grab us a plate so we can dispose of this stuff or like set it to the side?
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. This is good.
Really
Don't eat
good,
the
right?
seeds. Mom, go do what I said, please.
Shut. You vlogging?
Yes, Mom.
Okay.
That's good, right?
I said yeah.
All right.
Wait, can we save the seeds and grow our own?
You don't live in a tropical climate.
It's not a tree, yeah. We wouldn't be able to grow
Who
the
wants
tree
to
here.
spend Christmas in a tropical climate anyway? You know where I got that
This is really
from?
good.
I don't know.
Yeah. Look at you. Movie trivia.
I rate this a 10, guys.
This is a passion fruit. You can find these locally too. Oh my gosh.
What?
That looks good, but it...
All right.
But,
This is the inside of a passion fruit.
Oh, that smell good.
I'm just gonna take a little. So you literally eat these things.
I personally don't like passion fruit.
Wow, I do.
It's always like too tangy for me.
It's
not-
tangy.
That's
not my thing.
good.
It's not really my judge.
I thought it would have a weird texture, but it's really good. You guys pick what you want to do next. What do you want to do next?
Let's try these.
All right, those are, we're gonna each grab one. These are kumquats.
Oh. You can like eat the pill, you know?
Really?
Can?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna take half a bite with and half without.
I'm
Yeah.
I'm not eating the pill.
I'm gonna do...
Let's see if they're sweet.
Are you?
Oh my gosh.
I don't recommend eating the pill. That was really disgusting.
They're really sour. You should have asked me to cut that. That one was really sour and gross. Maybe they're not ripe yet, but that one was gross.
That is sour, guys.
Yeah.
And don't eat it with the pill.
Yeah, do not listen to Alana. Eat it with the pill.
Yeah, that was
Alana,
gross.
you pick what you want to, what we should eat
That
next.
banana.
Well, we're definitely saving the dragon fruit for last. guys.
Okay.
That
Okay.
makes you go to the bathroom.
Do you know what that's called?
No, actually.
Okay. This is called 8 Moya.
A
Oh,
moya.
okay. Yeah.
8 Moya.
I don't know.
So it's supposed to be soft all over for it to be ripe, which it is soft. You can press it.
Can you rip it open like the soursop?
No, you have to cut it.
A
And
moya.
it does look like soursop in the middle,
yeah,
though.
yeah. Okay, yeah. That
All right,
one
so-
like reminds me of like the Asian pears, kind of.
I think it does. I think I read
I
that
want to
it
say
does
it's called that.
have a pear-like texture.
Okay, I'm excited for this.
All right,
one.
let's see.
I love
This looks
pears.
good.
It's really sweet. It's good.
Really good. Doesn't taste like soursop at all, but
No, it doesn't taste like soursop, but it
This
looks
is good.
definitely
I
like
like
it.
this one.
this is good.
No?
You don't like it?
I like it. The
Skin
texture
in it.
is a little weird,
Yeah, it is a little weird, but I like it.
but it's good.
I can't even like compare the texture to anything.
It's really good.
I like it.
We should save some for Samir. He loves fruit.
Yeah, if he gets up.
Okay, let's do this one. I hope it's right. It
Oh
feels
my
a
God.
little, and I scratched it because they said to scratch it, and if you see orange, it should be right.
Oh, yes.
We'll see. So this is called a mame, and the inside of it resembles like a sweet potato, also papaya.
I'm
and I
excited.
think you just cut it this way.
Yeah.
It's like a nut.
I'm excited to try it.
I hope it's right.
Yeah, I want to. Is there a nut inside?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, there's
It's like a
this-
black, but it shouldn't be like hard to cut. Aw.
Oh man. All right,
Okay.
wait. Let's try
Just
this
be
way.
careful.
Yeah. Can you like what? It's not ripe at all.
No.
It's got a real potatoey texture.
Oh.
Oh, I want to try
Well, this is the
it.
color. It's pretty.
Damn.
I'm really bummed that this is not cutting.
Me too, because I really wanted to try this one the most.
It's not right at all because it's supposed to be like a creamy texture, and but this is how it looks in the inside. Oh my god, it's like as hard as a yam. It looks like a yam.
Oh, it does smell good. It has a.
This
it has
is called the
smell.
mame.
Yeah, it has a different smell.
Try it.
I like the smell.
Oh, it smells.
It smells
really
like it would be like
good.
a good like body butter or something.
Yeah, this is no way near. It's not ripe at all.
Aw.
I'm gonna try it.
You can't
Yeah.
try it. It's like a potato. We can try these next. These are called sapadillas
Yeah, and
or
they gave us
sapadilla.
some
You like how I?
this really smells good.
Ooh, they remind me of a pear.
Yeah. Like
All
plummy
right.
too.
Yeah, like a plum and a pear texture. Oh, they look really good. Okay,
Can you eat the pill?
no,
Alright.
you cannot eat the peel or the seed. Oh, it's creamy like texture. Here. Mmm. It's really sweet. Really sweet. It might be too sweet for me.
It's sweet, but I don't like that. Like
That bitter,
feeling
like whatever
in my
that.
mouth.
Yeah,
it like legit
it's like,
like
leaving my mouth like clammy,
dry.
like chalky.
Yeah.
It's a no for me, sapadilla.
Yeah, no, I'm not
Yeah,
even
no.
eating another piece. It's not nasty.
It's not
sweet.
nasty. It's just
It's making my mouth chalky.
yeah,
exactly.
definitely chalky. Yep, that's the right
That's
word
the
for
right
it.
word. Yeah, exactly.
We also got key limes. We don't really need to eat these. I mean, we can save them until they turn yellow. Then they'll be really sweet, and we can add them to like water. Chloe wants
Chloe
to try
can
one,
it.
so
I think
It's a no for me, dog.
Why would
Actually,
you know
I
what?
really
I'll try
will
it.
try it.
I'll try a little small piece.
I'm
here.
like, actually, the more
All
you
right.
cut it, I really
Here.
will like just try it. Whatever.
it's sour?
Yes, but it's not overbearing.
It's not that sour.
I could eat it.
Rather long.
What on earth?
It actually has a lot of juice in it though, compared to like regular
does.
limes. Regular limes are really tough.
This little corner has a lot of juice in it. Bet from
These
my
are good.
regular line. So.
Yeah, but this is probably good on papaya. A lot of
Yeah.
juice. Okay.
Might not have papaya in there.
So last we have, this is what a real banana looks like. It's clearly not right.
yeah.
So we won't eat this one. And then we have yellow dragon fruit. I think we've all tasted this. I've tasted this one before. Have you guys?
Yeah,
Yes.
I like that one a lot.
And
Okay.
it makes you go to the bathroom. If you didn't know.
Does it?
It like turns
Oh.
it legit turns your inside to like legit liquid. It's like crazy.
Really? I've had this. They sell this at Wegmans.
I like it because it's really sweet.
It is. It's
Yeah.
better than the
Cut it like you
I
know,
am.
like
The inside of it, reminds me of the kiwi. The texture.
it's the best. This one tastes so much better than the
Yeah.
Than the
pink
real
one.
one.
Than the regular
Because
I don't
it's
papaya.
really sweet.
This is just like so good. Like
Yellow
it really
dragon
is the best.
This one is so good. We paid $120 for this.
Are you dumb?
But in our defense,
It was worth it.
it is worth it. And you can't get this fruit from around here except yellow dragon fruit
And key lime.
and key limes. It's really good, Mom. You want to try? Come on camera. And say hey. Hey.
Mima.
Hey.
Hey y'all, what's up?
Okay, just
In my just hilarious voice.
It's really good, Mom.
I don't want that whole thing.
Why?
Give some to Halo.
I think I'm
Not
going
yet.
back to the soursop.
Yeah, that's really good.
The soursop was the bomb.
It's so good.
I like the
You
how
know
do you
what?
pronounce the other one again?
Eight
the one that
Moya.
That whatever. I'm not gonna do it.
And they have another one that's similar that's called like cherry Moya.
This is my favorite kind
I don't like the moya. It sounds like moist,
Moya.
which is disgusting.
Moya.
That's gross.
I think I'm
No.
gonna like blend some and put it in my smoothies.
We should like literally go inside and make a smoothie now.
But it's good.
This is my least favorite one because it made my mouth like really chalky. And I don't really like this one at though.
It's the soursop for me, guys.
No.
It's giving everything. That basically concludes this video. We're gonna wrap it up. We're actually gonna go in the house and make some smoothies out of the remaining soursop.
This soursop
And
is
again,
really good.
we got this from Mame Fruit. They gave us some cute little stickers as well. I'm gonna tag Mame Fruit. Hopefully they'll send me another box for free.
Because this was very, very good.
Yeah, but
The
very, very
soursop-
expensive. The soursop was A1.
I mean, literally.
Papaya was A1.
I can. We
And
didn't
the
have
soursop.
papaya. Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
We have papaya in the house though.
I'm really disappointed that the Mame was not ripe. And I tried to ripe it for like 3 days.
Me too.
I started to put it in the oven.
Go do it now. I wonder if you do it now, would it be like
It's
a baked
supposed to have
potato?
like a creamy like texture.
Yeah, I thought it was giving me very much papaya. I mean,
It's
not
giving
papaya,
me very much
papaya
sweet potato
vibes.
right now.
Yeah, right now. But I thought it was gonna be like more like papaya, and like
mean,
you
it
know how like
smelled
papaya
good.
you like literally tap it with the knife and
Yes,
it
and
like
it'll
glides
cut through. Yes, that's
mean,
how I
it
thought it was going
smells
to be
good.
too.
It smells
I mean,
good.
it definitely smells good. I would like to use this
Overall, some of the fruits were really good.
for like I don't know some skincare
Most of
product
them
or
were really
something.
good. The sapadilla is just not for me. That chalky
that chalky
aftertaste
feeling.
afterwards.
I would.
And
rather
I'm
that.
just upset that the Mame was not right.
But
Thank you
I
for
mean,
tuning
it's a
in.
feeling.
Thank my guest.
yes, her
She
guest
had
for
me
today-
waiting on her.
I don't like the texture of that.
Never on time.
I'm
but-
actually always on time, but we're
Thank
at
you
my
guys
house, so.
for watching. And we'll see you in our next one. Peace out.